What's up guys, Slang MF's here, and I just wanted to make a quick vid on a quick fix to the Pontiac Grand Prix glove box latch. And the fix is to take that bad boy out and replace it because it is broke. And let me explain to you why. This little plastic piece right here, what that does is every time you pull your latch, it's supposed to pull this metal prong back where I have my pin and release the latch. So I mean, you pull on this way too hard. People don't realize you're pulling on a tiny plastic piece. That's just a bad design in a glove box latch. So yeah, the fix is to take that bad boy out. What I had to do is take a screwdriver and kind of put it up in there and pry my glove box open. And then there's two tiny screws right there and right there. And this bad boy pops right out. So yeah, the fix is get this bad boy out, get a new one, replace it, and don't be so hard on your lever next time. Just know you're pulling on a tiny plastic piece. So yeah guys, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, help me out. Hit that like button and subscribe, and have a good day guys.